Hi guys, here's a detailed open box review and assembly procedure demo for Raspberry Pi 5 Mini PC Case. I received this product from vendor as an evaluation sample, but I will share my independent and honest opinion. In a nutshell, if you're busy, I tell you my conclusion. Do not buy this product if you are new or beginner to Raspberry Pi DIY project. It does require a lot of steps and a lot of time to put everything together. And most important thing is the menu is not very accurate. You could miss some of those steps and they're gonna make you frustrated. I would not suggest you buy this product, period. And after what I did for the first try, all the LED and light does not work. When troubleshooting it, I find this cable, FPC 10-pin cable, was not included, not even emphasized in the menu on step 4 and step 5. That could be the reason make these things does not work. And now I'm going to show you step by step how I do my first assembly. First, step 1 is put all the screw and nuts on. And now we're on the step 2 is you put those silicone patches and you put those high quality fan on it. And then you put those USB HDMI adapter put on it. And also you put those mini SD card extender to the side. Now here's the problem is this step is not right. This is 16 pin. It's very awkward to put it on. I would rather put it on first before I put it in. Now I put the power cable on the side. Now everything's fine. And now we're on the step 5 is to put those mini USB-C to the port as a reference. But pretty quick, I realized there's one screw. It's pretty hard to put it on if you still keep the extension board on. I have to remove the extension board and then I can put that hidden screw on, just like what I did. After that, I put all the screw on so I can securely the Raspberry Pi 5 board and also extension board on the bottom of the mini PC cable. And then I put the screw back on, which is what I already did in step 1, but I have to do it again because the inaccurate menu are very complicated. Now I put my GPIO extension board back on, even though I already did it on the steps 3. Now I get my cable on, I get my screw on. Now I put the screw to secure the extension cable. On the step 6, I put a battery. This step is very easy. The battery, the Qualcomm battery is actually included in the product. And step 7 is all those 3 fans. This fan is actually pretty cool. It's also including the color. Make sure you have 2 fans facing to you and the other fans backward. Put it on. Now put the on off button. Make sure you remove the ring and put the ring inside. So that's where you can best way to secure the on off switch from the panel, just like that. Put the ring from the inside and tighten it back in. Also rotate the ring if it's needed. Make sure they're facing upward. And here's a little LED screen. And then now you have to put those fan connect to the pin connector to get power. And now we're gonna, the issue is we're gonna put those case on, follow the menu as menu 8. And on menu 9, I have to put those gray cable on the outside and then put a red and black cable next to the gray cable or the white cable, just like that. This step is pretty straightforward. And now the issue is to get those FPC cable. I think this is a 7 FPC cable. You put it on, and on the other end of FPC cable, I have to remove the little LED screen which I already installed it because the bad menu. This step is messed up. Now I have to rework. And just to put those FPC cable on, now I put those LED screen back on. So a lot of back and forth. The menu is not accurate. I'm really frustrated with the menu. And now we put the front panel on. We put all the screws on. We're actually close to the finish line. And here is the back and the side. This is acrylic panel, really cool. You're gonna see what happened inside. That's actually a very good design, to be honest with you. And then let's put all the screw on. Boom, that's the final product. And let's put those, you can see on the side is actually give you all the HDMI port, all the USB-A port. We're also gonna put those little footers with the support. You put it all the aluminum on. They also included those little black silicone patches to gain the friction to support the whole frame. However, even though you put it, everything's on, the problem is when you turn the power on, it does not turn it on because the wrong instruction. I'll share you my solution for my next video. Thank you.